This is an unboxing for Victorian Varnish Black Friday sale. I didn't purchase much, but I did want to share what I did get. So I haven't opened it, and this is my first time opening it as on camera. So I'm excited, even though I know what I purchased. Let's see, get some of this tape off. I love these little shiny bags. There we go. And she's got, thank you, happy holidays, Keisha, love, Tammy. Like I said, I didn't get much, but did want to share what I purchased. So let's see what we have in the envelope here. Probably some stickers. Yep, some stickers. Oh, I still don't have all the stickers. Okay, checking my bag. Okay, I've got this little holiday. Let me zoom in. This little holiday sticker. Here's another. Some more stickers. Candy cane. Snowman and the snow globe. All right, now sophisticated. Looks like a dog. Some bling on the side there. Oh, around the perimeter. Y'all know I like the bling, bling, bling. Love the bling. Got another Victorian Varnish sticker. And we've got the, these tickets are already on sale at the Polish and Beauty Expo. I keep saying I'm going to go every year in this time of year to purchase the tickets, but I don't know. Again, it's going to be in Tinsley Park, 2-day expo. And the sale is now, so they are $35 for general admission ticket. And get a shopping bag. Limited meet and greet cocktail party tickets are available for $59. But don't wait, tickets will sell quickly. All right. So let's see what I have here. I've got actually what I purchased. I needed some more of the acetone additives. This year she's got them in boxes. It's supposed to smell, I hope it's sweet, because I like sweet scents. I tried to get a scent that was sweet. And the ones that I purchased previously was Island Poppin' or something like that. They didn't have, so I was on my last bottle, so I was glad that the sale came around. Not too bad. It's not sweet like I thought it would be, but it's a pleasant scent. It's not bad. So I've got 4 of those. And this is something I didn't order. This is a cuticle balm sample. Okay, thank you, Tammy. Apple pie. So let's see what that smells like. Let's crack that open. Got it all wrapped up. Yep, smells like an apple pie. Oh, it's very, very soft. It smells more cinnamony to me than apple pie. Okay. I like the fact it's not overly thick. It feels more like a petroleum jelly, but a little softer. See, it melts right in my hand. And you can see I'm a bit dry, so Yeah, that's nice. I like that. It doesn't, even though it looks greasy, it really, see, it doesn't feel greasy. It really doesn't. It doesn't feel greasy at all. Not at all. Hmm. It just soaks right on in, and it doesn't feel greasy. I like that. Maybe I will purchase some of the balm next time. Okay, and then, oh, she got me some a mint Redbird candy. Okay, thank you. All right, I did purchase 3 other polishes. This was the Sprockets and Speckles Light Seeing Holiday Mystery Polish for 2025. When I saw this on her Instagram page, I had to have this one. OMG. Look at that. I told her when she was swatching it that this was a stunner, and it is a stunner. I cannot wait to pair this with another polish. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And look at, you do not have to fish for any glitters. That is so pretty. So freaking pretty. So I had to get that one. And again, I like the fact that on the box, the name is on the box. I really like that. I wish he had a peep window, but peekaboo window, but she doesn't. But I really like the fact that she had the name on that one. This one does not have the name on it, so I will probably put a label on it myself. But this is the Captivate Magnetic Sealer Top Coat. So I wanted to make sure I purchased that because I saw how freaking super reactive this was when she applied her magnetic polishes. Her magnetic polishes are already super duper reactive to the magnet. But when I saw how she didn't have to magnetize each and every coat, and when she got through applying her magnetic polish and then she applied this on top, and being at that time magnetized and it was super duper reactive, I said I had to get a bottle. So that's why I have this bottle. And last but not least, I got the because I did purchase something on that Saturday, I got a free magnetic polish, which was the doorbuster. This was the small with a big heart. This was free for Small Business Saturday. I had to have this one, and this one was so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, I had to have this one. OMG. Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? Freaking amazing. I know I don't normally swatch, but I can't wait. I can't wait. And I don't have a base coat on, y'all, so I cannot wait. OMG. Love that polish. I had to make sure when the store opened at midnight, I dozed off, and when I woke up, I said, oh, it's 12:15. I was hoping I didn't miss all of these polishes, and I was number 15 when I got my order placed, and she said I was in that window, so I did get this magnetic polish. So I am super duper excited. Can't wait to wear it. Love this one. I really do. I had my mind set on a specific mani, and now I don't know. I may have to change my mind and wear this one. Oh my gosh. Love this. Beautiful. So that is it, you guys. like I said, I got my freebie, my magnetic polish. I've got my tinctures, my acetone. I've got all these stickers. And then, of course, I've got the notification for the Polish and Beauty Expo for next year, which these tickets are currently on sale now. So if you are going, make sure you get those polishes, get the tickets. Again, it's in Chicago and Tinsley Park, and the dates is July 18th and the 19th. So you can find those at polishandbeautyexpo.com. All right, that's all for the sneak peek on my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, allow the magic to take hold. Watch the magic appear, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.